Introducing MEGARACK Mezzanine System, Singapore's #1 choice for mezzanine solutions. If you're a business or industry looking to optimize your space, MEGARACK is your ultimate answer. Why choose MEGARACK? Let's dive into the unparalleled benefits that make it a standout solution. First, maximize your vertical space efficiently. With MEGARACK, you can transform unused overhead areas into functional spaces, whether for storage, office expansion, or production zones. Portability and flexibility are at the core of our design. The system can be easily relocated without compromising the main structure, giving you the freedom to adapt to your business's changing needs. Cost-effective solutions are what every business desires. MEGARACK offers this by minimizing downtime with its fast installation process, ensuring your operations continue seamlessly. Durability and safety come standard with MEGARACK. Built with high-quality materials, it guarantees long-term reliability and peace of mind. Customization is key to meeting specific business needs. Our lightweight materials ensure the building's floor load remains uncompromised while providing tailored design options to suit any application. The versatility of MEGARACK cannot be overstated. Whether you need extra storage and office space or a production area, our system adapts to any requirement effortlessly. Investing in MEGARACK also means investing in the future. With its high resale value, your investment retains worth, offering economic advantages down the line. And remember, moving locations is no hassle. Our system is designed for easy relocation, maintaining integrity and functionality throughout. Ready to elevate your space? Contact Nick today at 0961-4433-054 or email sales@rackandsave.ph. Visit our website at rackandsave.ph for more information. MEGARACK Mezzanine System, where innovation meets efficiency. Available now through our distributor in the Philippines. Discover how we can transform your business environment today.